Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some keyboard numbers not working in Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a control panel, open control panel, click on a ease of access center.
Always scan this section.
After doing this that, go to your make the keyboard easiest to use and make sure that turn off the uncheck the turn on key mouse keys. So uncheck it and click on apply and OK button.
Always scan this section.
Close it, and after doing this step restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that make sure that your num keyboard button is turned on your keyboard. So if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager and open a device manager. Select a keyboard, right click on a update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers. After that click on a let me pick from a list available driver on my computer and select a model and click next to continue. After that close it and close it. After doing this step restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.